What is Python? Python is a scripting language. His creator, Guido van Rossum, situated it between C and shell. Python is object-based. An object is a part of code that has internal data which differentiates it from other objects of the same class. It has functions or methods which make it possible to modify it. Other object-based programming languages are Java and C++. It is interpreted. We can launch commands interactively, such as BASIC, Logo, MATLAB, and Shell. It is modular. It is easy to import and create new modules. There are many libraries available, for example, Web, XML, BD, Audio, Image, and others. All you need to do is find the right one. Python is portable. Just about all platforms are supported. Python is installed automatically on Linux and Mac OS X. It has a BSD license-free software. Documentation is partly complete because the language is under construction. A small comparison. Python versus C or C++. Python has at least 10 times fewer lines of code than C and C++. There's no need to compile. Python is slower, but at the same time, it is easily expandable. Python versus Java. There's less lines of code with Java. And with Jython, it's Java and Python. Python versus Bash, CH, and Perl. Python is more structured and therefore more readable. Python versus MATLAB. Python is more readable and it has more general libraries. Python is not yet the same functionality as MATLAB, as it specializes in libraries and plots, but there are some very promising projects. How to launch Python and IDLE. IDLE opens a window in which you type and execute the Python commands. There are two operating modes. The first one is interactive, REPL, read eval print loop. The second one is script. Choose File, click New Window to open a window where you can write a program. You can check Python's integrated development environment list on Wikipedia description page.